Hey guys, Poonam here and I'm back with another unboxing video, and today I'm going to share the February cute box. I know it's a little late, but I got my cute box today, so I thought of unboxing it right with you. So this is how the February cute box looks like, and it's a monthly jewelry subscription box. Let me tell you a few more details about this. So this is what brand has to say about the box. So Cute Box is a monthly jewelry subscription box where you can get a mix of 4 to 5 trendy and ethnic jewelries per month, and according to the theme of that particular month. I really like the theme of last month, and the box is personalized because you can choose some of the products according to your preferences, and you can place your order via WhatsApp, you can ping them on Instagram, they're on Facebook, you can email, and you can do the bank payment or the Paytm. So all the details will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that. And the price of this box is rupees 399, and there is a 50 rupees of shipping. I know the shipping hurts. I wish there was no shipping, but yes, there is a 50 rupees shipping, and they ship within 5 to 7 working days. And the theme of this month's box is love is in the air. I mean, obviously it's February, so it has to be some love themed box. And the neck piece and the bangle are same for all, so we are receiving a neck piece and a bangle, and there is few more earrings that you can choose, and like there are color choices. And the other thing is rings, where you can choose whether you want to go for a statement ring or a mirror ring, and you have to mention your wrist size and your finger size like for the rings. And yes, that's what all the brand has to say about it. So let's open this box and see what all we have. Okay, so the box is nicely bubble wrapped, like I mean all the stuff, and it says there is only one happiness in this life, to love and be loved. Love and pamper yourself with Cute Box February Love is in the Air edition, and we get 5 products this month, and this is so pretty. I love blue. Like other than pink and reds, blue is my favorite color. I can already see the rings. I want it. You know, I love big chunky rings. I don't know, I have a recent obsession with these, and I so love it. So I got a mirror ring, loose on me. I hope I'm not blinding you. I wish it fitted me well, but it's adjustable, so I guess I can make it work. Let's see. Yes, you can like tighten it from here. So yes, if you have watched my Club Factory haul, you must have seen that I have recently bought some tassel earrings, and these are the tassel earrings. Oh, these are so pretty. This is how they look. They have a pearl drop, they have 2 fishes, and a big blue tassel. It's pretty. So that's why I was not wearing any jewelry, so that I can easily like put on the jewelry that I receive in my jewelry box. What do you think, guys? It's nice, no? Okay, next we have another earring. So these are the earrings. These are big statement earrings which you can pair with your ethnic wear. They will look really cool. So this is how they look. They look nice, no? I like them. Okay, the next thing is a bracelet. So it's a metal bracelet. I'm not into bracelets because I don't get to wear them. I put on my watch, but this is a nice bracelet. Let me show you. So it has a like studded heart and a metal heart in here. I have to tighten it up a little bit because it's too loose for me. So now, nice now. Okay, the next thing which I think is quite interesting because it's my favorite thing. It's a neck piece, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So this is like a golden chain, and we have these 2 pendants at the end, and they look so nice. I have similar earrings as well, so I might pair it with them, but they look so nice. I'm not able to find any locking system, so I guess these are going to be like put on from your neck like that. So this is how it looks. What do you think? And yes, that's all what I received in my February cute box, and I hope you guys like this video and find it helpful. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yes, you can use my coupon code Poonam. You can save around ₹20 if you subscribe for 2 months, like ₹20 per month. So in total you will save ₹40. I know it's not much, but saving is a saving, so you can do that. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.